Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so I went out and I did a pump and dump on the test and tune. Alright, there was hardly anybody there, so that was perfect for me and all the rest of us individuals that just wanted to get our setups dialed in. Alright, so that's what I was able to pull off. Alright, yeah, that's pretty good. All right, the Challenger next to me, because I'm about to show you a video. That's a brand new drag racer right there, all right? But that car is fast. All right, so I ain't holding nothing against that individual. Almost ran a 12, look at that. We raced again. All right, and this one I shut the nitrous off, the nitrous system off really early. You know, I was figuring I'd probably be a little bit slower. I expected that, but I was trying to prevent the backfire at the end. When I let off the throttle, all right, this one kind of was coming late, had a little backfire. So either the fuel, there's still a little fuel left in the nitrous fuel line, you know, kind of dripping in, or I'm flooding it and I just need to bring the jet down. Or I sent the log off, we'll check the log, see what's going on there. But I'm gonna be patient, wait, let things get figured out. All right, get some information back before I make any, what do you call that, drastic measures, right? So I'm just gonna leave the truck alone and I'm gonna wait for my tuner's word for the most part, all right? So that's the best thing to do. I suggest to do that if you're in like a situation where I am. You know, you have a remote custom tuner, all right? So anyway, big shout out to Mo's Performance. Thank you, the parts are working perfectly. Big shout out to Hemi Fever Tuning. Thank you very much. Tune's working great. All right, this is anyone, you know, heads up for anybody. This is the very first time I did any data logging for nitrous. All right, we're revision 1. This is the first time I gave it that full freaking pump. All right, so just starting out fresh, all right, cam and nitrous. Thank you, V&V Automotive. All right, for putting together, you know, a solid cam setup. Well, they put the cam in. V&V Automotive put my camshaft in, the lifters, the whole 9 yards, T-stat, you name it. Tore my motor down, brought it back up, did my torque converter, everything solid, no leaks. Holy moly, I could go hit it with this truck and not really worry, right? I do have an RFE transmission, I realize that, so, you know, I kind of follow the little set rules for that. I don't get to have as much fun as the 8-speed guys, but I'm all right with that. You know, it is what it is. All right, it's not like you can't just go out and buy an 8-speed, you know, can just fix it that way, but I'm having fun for what it is. Kind of not really, I don't think I'm upside down in the truck anymore. It's getting near paid off, so yeah, you know, I like it. You know, I'm gonna pay it off and then get another truck and we'll see what happens. But yeah, the Challenger, you know, for the second time out, all right, this is their second time out, almost a 12. That is really good, 108 miles an hour, just cooking. Just cooking, that's really good. That's really good. Can only imagine a third, fourth, fifth time, you know, and then it would look different as we were going down the drag strip. I wouldn't be in front. The Challenger would obviously be in front by so much, right? If we took off at the same time. All right, so I get what's going on. Anyway, prediction. All right, so we wrote this on here last time. All right, I apologize if I'm mumbling. All right, and I'm skipping around. I do apologize. But anyway, the last time went out 1/17/2020. That's what I was looking to hit. We about got there. All right, so made a prediction the DA was going to be 500 to 1,000. All right, this is just the day after. I didn't go this day. I went the day after. It was actually 29.61. Woo, way higher, but pulled off a lot faster time than the last time. Pretty good, so. All right, so here's previously, basically just cam, NA. All right, and then here's the full pump, 100 shot of nitrous, HPT cam, Hemi Fever tune. Let's see, is that torque converter, headers, a few little dilly-dallies. All right, I'm gonna try to get into the 12s. That's gonna be the plan, and I'm not gonna push it any farther. You can't do that. All right, it'd be a little bit too much for the transmission, have to keep it real. I think I could keep it rolling along as long as I grandpa it. All right, seems to be doing pretty good. Noticed a few individuals doing the same thing. They've been rolling along pretty good. They got quite a bit more miles on their trucks than I do. All right, so I'm gonna try to roll with their math and their methods. All right, one of them is Frostbite Ram. All right, I'll try to leave a link in the YouTube channel. Excuse me, apologize. Throat's dry as hell. It's really cold out here in my garage too. Yep, made progress. The next deal is gonna be Mopar at the Strip. All right, I might go to another Test and Tune or Midnight Mayhem is in between here. I'll let you guys know. That would be in like 2 weeks. All right, but right now I'm gonna kind of kick back, all right, and get things dialed in and see what I can do. But anyway, here we go. Here's this. All right, and this one right here, I was asked a lot, do I think I could beat that the next time out? I got a lot of questions on that, and I was like, oh yes, most definitely. Let me go fill the nitrous bottle up and K-Pow. And I don't think it's done there, but to get it to really, to get into that 12.99 and better, one more mod, something. Could do wheels and tires. I am rolling pretty high. I could take the steps off. There are some weight reduction deals I could do, but those, I'm too lazy for that. I like easy stuff. Tailgate's easy. My poverty sled back seat, 4 bolts, 5 bolts, done, it's out, it's easy. You know, so not bad there. I have the, never really ran it with a spare tire because I usually run it with 35s. And I don't run a spare. Don't ask me why. All right, so hot damn hell yeah, appreciate y'all. See what happens. Hopefully we'll get 12 soon. But anyway, got a couple of us going to the Mopar at the Strip, and it's gonna be badass. All right, we'll see what happens there. That's mostly just bracket racing. It's not really for, you know, getting the best time. Just being consistent, so I might not run nitrous here, all right? I won't have enough if we run too much. I'll get inconsistent. If I have enough nitrous, I could stay pretty consistent. All right, sorry to drag it out. Sorry to confuse anybody if I did. All right, sometimes I forget what I just said like 30 seconds ago, so I go on to another subject. I apologize. All right, so I'll send another update out and let you guys know what's going on, but most definitely I'm gonna be here. Hot damn hell yeah, I appreciate all y'all. Yee yee.